Good morning, one and all. Today I am here to present a presentation on the topic of motivation of starting enterprise. Now, the journal characteristics of enterprise, motives of starting business, and as well as the empirical study of motivation of starting of a business. The terminal factors change of economical factors and technological factors and international factor. Now we can say that the 21st century of life in the age of enterprise. Decision of enterprise of personal subject matter of motives and motivation. We can say that the enterprise should be obligation of the towards business ideas and project of means. The project means also the dedicate from future success of enterprise. Enterprise is a multidimensional phenomena. It involves the different decision and discipline. Without any discipline and decision do not survive of any enterprise, any business. So mostly important things of starting of new business should be proper decided disciplines and other activities. Thank you. Now next slide should be continuing, my friends.
I'm a
Thank you very
cautionary
much.
of introduction. Today, in a great number of people see the future in entrepreneurship and have a wish to run their own business. Some of them are motivated by a wish to provide themselves a job or to do a kind of job in which they enjoy without superior boss. Some other feels a need for greater challenge or for a bit better working condition. Many people search for their activities which will make them financially independent. The reason for creating an own business are numerous. Such reasons depend on the personality. Not everyone is capable of running a business or feel what necessary to run certain project. This indicates that there is a great number of those who may become entrepreneur, who have entrepreneurial characteristics and who could express their potential in a right way. Entrepreneurship has been in focus during the previous year due to the significant benefits realized by small and medium-sized enterprises in overall development of nation economy of developed countries. Entrepreneurship is a multidimensional phenomena in which men involve many disciplines, etc.
Friends explain the abstracts and introductions of entrepreneurships. Now my turn. I am Vishal Kumar. I am explaining the meaning of entrepreneurship. The entrepreneurship refers to the process of creating new enterprises and bearing any of its risks with view of making profit. Now the next turns my friends Prashant Pataria to explain the motives of enterprises and the reasons of enterprises. Thank you.
Starting a business is a dream for many of the pupils, many of the youngsters to start their own business. But to start our own business, they need some of the motives. To start our own business, the pupil thinks twice or thrice during their lifetime to start a business and earn more, something good for their families. So here is first motive to start a business is self-direction. When you're trolling a company for many of a years, but you have to listen to the boss, you don't need to give time to your family, but in business you can give time, you can get a self-direction, you give directions to the business according to your need, but when you're working for a company, the directions are being given by the boss. Now here is the second point where you need financial success. Financial success is one of the terms where when you are working in a company, you are getting some of the average amount of money. But when you operate a business, you can earn profit more and more. There is no limit to earn money. Third one is second career. You are working for a company, but you start a business aside. You can see that you can earn profit from it. But when you got retired, you can join the business and work in it. Some people retire early from the company and join the business. But if you join later, then it will be very late to success on a business. But if you join earlier only, you can earn money and you can have a self-direction in it too.